Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade a domain controller using a migration process. How migration works. So imagine this is our domain implementer.local. We have an Active Directory domain controller running Windows Server 2012 R2. We will upgrade this to Windows Server 2016. So what we need to do is we have to introduce another member server running Windows Server 2016. Then we have to promote this to a domain controller. Then we will synchronize both domain controllers. Then we will transfer the FISMO roles from the Windows Server 2012 R2 going to the Windows Server 2016. After that, we will demote or decommission the Windows Server 2012 R2. You have an option to raise the domain functional level or the forest functional level of your domain environment. Before we start, if you don't have any idea how to install Windows Server 2016, please check out my other video before you proceed. Okay, so let's get started. So this is our new built server. We will turn off the firewall. Okay, then we will change the IP from dynamic to static, but first we will run CMD and get the IP value. So let's just copy this. Let's disable IPv6. For the preferred DNS server, let's just get the IP address of the first domain controller. Then let's click OK and let's close. So now we will just rename this server. Let's go to properties. As you can see, this is the name. Let's name it DC2. Then let's populate the domain implementer.local. Click OK. Then let's input the Active Directory admin from implementer.local. Okay, so it was successfully joined. Let's click OK, then let's wait for the restart. Okay, let's log in as admin from the implementer.local. Let's check the details. Server name is dc2 implementer.local. IP. Let's proceed in adding roles. Let's select Active Directory Domain Services. Add. We have two ways to promote. You can click it here, or we can close this, then select the flag, then let's click promote. Okay, so we will be joining to an existing domain. Let's input the password. Let's select DC1. Next. Let's click install. Okay, so let's close and let's wait for the restart. Okay, let's check for the Active Directory users and computers. Let's go to domain controllers. As you can see, DC1 and DC2 is listed here. Let's go to Active Directory sites and services. Okay, let's expand servers. Let's go to the NTDS settings, right click, and then select replicate now. Let's do the same thing to the other DC. Then let's check DNS. Right click, properties. Let's check name servers. Okay, let's correct the IP address. Click OK. Let's check the other zones. Let's check the FISMO role. Let's type netdom query FISMO. As you can see, all the roles are still in domain controller 1. I will create a separate video on how to transfer FISMO role from DC1 to DC2. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.